Tests from AAA found that some cheaper gas can leave a lot more dirt and buildup inside your engine, and I've seen the costly repairs that can result from it. Just last week, a Toyota owner spent over $1,400 replacing fuel injectors and cleaning carbon buildup caused by years of using the wrong gas. After more than 20 years working on Toyotas, I'm done watching drivers waste money on fuel that quietly damages their engines. Today, I'm exposing 7 gasoline brands Toyota owners should think twice about and revealing the only 3 that consistently help protect the fuel system. Stick around. One of the recommended fuels costs almost the same as bargain gas, and it's one reason I've seen Toyotas reach 300,000 miles with fewer engine problems. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what should be going into your tank and what should never be anywhere near it. First, let's talk about 7 gasoline brands you should avoid at all costs. Number 7. BP. This one surprises more Toyota owners than almost any other fuel brand on this list. BP is one of the largest fuel companies in the world, and its stations look exactly like what most drivers expect from a premium gasoline brand. The company heavily promotes its Invigorate additive technology, and many Toyota owners assume they're automatically getting one of the best fuels available. But here's the fact most drivers never hear. BP is no longer a top-tier certified gasoline brand in the United States. That's important because top-tier standards were originally developed by major automakers, including Toyota, to require higher detergent levels than the minimum EPA requirements. According to research cited by AAA, gasoline meeting higher detergent standards can help prevent harmful deposits from building up on injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. In one well-known AAA study, non-top-tier fuels left engines with significantly higher deposit levels compared to top-tier fuels. Now, BP states that its Invigorate additive package still meets or exceeds top-tier requirements. And to be fair, there is no evidence suggesting BP fuel is poor quality. The concern is verification. Without active independent certification, Toyota owners are being asked to trust company claims rather than a program backed by automakers and standardized testing. When you're paying premium prices at the pump, that's a question worth asking. There are currently more than 100 licensed top-tier fuel brands in North America, giving Toyota owners plenty of certified alternatives. Even BP's Amoco stations share the same non-certified status. For that reason alone, many experienced Toyota technicians and long-term Toyota owners choose a certified brand whenever one is available nearby. Number 6. Speedway. This is where Toyota owners need to start paying closer attention. Speedway operates thousands of locations across the United States and was acquired by 7-Eleven in a $21 billion deal in 2021. Many drivers assumed the brand would continue improving, but one thing never changed. Speedway is not a top-tier certified gasoline retailer. Now, that doesn't mean the fuel is poor quality. Much of the gasoline sold at Speedway may come from the same regional terminals that supply major brands. The difference is the additive package blended into that fuel before it reaches your tank. As a Toyota mechanic, that's what matters most. Modern Toyota engines depend on clean injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers to deliver the reliability they're known for. AAA testing found that gasoline with enhanced detergent packages can leave engines with significantly fewer deposits than fuel meeting only minimum federal requirements. The frustrating part is that many Speedway stations are located just minutes from certified brands like Shell, Chevron, ExxonMobil, or Costco. When the price difference is often only a few cents per gallon, choosing independently certified fuel is a simple decision for protecting your Toyota over the long run. Number 5. Racetrack. If you live anywhere in the Southeast, you've probably fueled up here dozens of times. Racetrack operates more than 800 locations across states like Florida, Georgia, Texas, and Alabama, making it one of the region's most recognizable fuel chains. The problem is that Racetrack is not currently listed as a top-tier certified gasoline retailer. As a Toyota mechanic, that's something I pay attention to because southern driving conditions are already tough on engines. Summer temperatures regularly climb above 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Traffic congestion is common, and many Toyota owners spend hours in stop-and-go driving every week. Those conditions increase heat, fuel consumption, and the formation of combustion deposits inside the engine. Now, that doesn't mean filling up at Racetrack once will hurt your Toyota. The concern is long-term use. When certified alternatives are available nearby, choosing gasoline with independently verified higher detergent standards is simply the safer bet. If you're driving through the Southeast and see a Shell, Chevron, Exxon, or Costco a few minutes farther down the road, that's usually the stop I'd recommend for keeping a Toyota engine cleaner over the long haul. But moving on, if you made it this far, then consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. Number 4. Kroger Fuel Centers. This one catches many Toyota owners off guard because the savings seem hard to ignore. Kroger operates hundreds of fuel stations across the country, offering fuel points that can knock several cents off every gallon. On the surface, it looks like a great deal. The problem is consistency. Kroger is not a top-tier certified gasoline retailer, and its fuel can come from different suppliers depending on the region. The gasoline sold at a Kroger in Texas may not be sourced or treated the same way as fuel sold at a location in Ohio or Georgia. As a Toyota mechanic, that's what concerns me most. Modern Toyota engines, especially those using the D4S fuel injection system found in models like the Camry, RAV4, Highlander, and Tacoma, perform best with fuel that contains strong detergent packages to help keep injectors and combustion chambers clean. According to AAA testing, fuels with enhanced detergents can significantly reduce deposit buildup compared to fuel that only meets minimum standards. Those fuel points may save a few dollars today, but consistent fuel quality is what helps protect a Toyota engine for hundreds of thousands of miles. Number 3. Circle K. This one surprises many Toyota owners because Circle K is one of the largest fuel retailers in North America, with more than 6,000 locations across the United States. No matter where you're driving, there's a good chance a Circle K is nearby. Convenience certainly isn't the issue. The concern is that Circle K is no longer a top-tier certified gasoline retailer. What's interesting is that it once participated in the program, meaning its fuel previously met the enhanced detergent standards supported by major automakers, including Toyota. Today, that certification is no longer in place. Now, that doesn't mean the fuel is unsafe or low quality. It still meets all federal requirements. However, Toyota owners no longer have independent verification that the fuel consistently meets the higher detergent levels associated with top-tier certification. According to AOA testing, gasoline with stronger detergent packages can significantly reduce engine deposits over time. As a Toyota mechanic, I focus on long-term reliability. When certified alternatives like Chevron, Exxon, Shell, or Costco are often just a few minutes away, many Toyota owners prefer the extra confidence that comes with independently verified fuel quality. Number 2. 7-Eleven. This is one of the most recognizable convenience store brands in the world. With more than 13,000 locations across the United States and Canada, 7-Eleven is often the quickest and easiest place for Toyota owners to fill up. The problem isn't convenience, it's fuel certification. Despite its massive footprint, 7-Eleven is not a top-tier certified gasoline retailer. That means there is no independent verification that its fuel consistently contains the enhanced detergent levels recommended by Toyota and other major automakers. Why does that matter? Because today's Toyota engines are far more advanced than the engines that existed when the EPA's minimum detergent standards were introduced nearly 30 years ago. Modern vehicles use direct injection, higher compression ratios, tighter engineering tolerances, and turbocharged powertrains that demand cleaner fuel systems. In fact, Toyota helped create the top-tier standard because many automakers believed the federal minimum requirements were no longer enough for modern engines. As a Toyota mechanic, that's the key point. Your engine was designed to deliver exceptional reliability over hundreds of thousands of miles. When a certified alternative is available nearby, that's usually the fuel I'd recommend choosing. Number 1. Sam's Club Fuel Centers. This is the fuel brand that surprises many Toyota owners the most because the savings look so attractive. Sam's Club often offers some of the lowest gasoline prices in the country, and the long lines at its pumps show just how popular those discounts are. Saving 10 to 20 cents per gallon sounds like an easy way to cut fuel costs. But as a Toyota mechanic, I look beyond today's savings and focus on long-term engine health. Sam's Club is not a top-tier certified gasoline retailer. That means there is no independent verification that its fuel consistently contains the higher detergent levels recommended by the automakers behind the top-tier program. What's especially interesting is that Costco, its biggest warehouse club competitor, is top-tier certified. Both offer membership-based discounts, but only one participates in the certification program supported by Toyota and other major manufacturers. Now, one tank of Sam's Club fuel won't harm your Toyota. The concern is years of use. AAA testing has shown that gasoline with enhanced detergent packages can significantly reduce deposit buildup compared with fuel meeting only minimum standards. If both Sam's Club and Costco are nearby, I'd choose the independently certified option every time. Now let's look at these 3 brands that actually deserve a spot in your Toyota's fuel tank. These 3 gasoline brands stand out for all the right reasons. Each one is top-tier certified, independently verified, and formulated with the higher detergent standards that help keep Toyota fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers cleaner over the long run. Number 3. Texaco. Texaco is one of those fuel brands that doesn't always get as much attention as some of its competitors. But Toyota owners shouldn't overlook it. Since Texaco is owned by Chevron, it benefits from the same well-known Techron additive technology that has built a strong reputation among mechanics and automotive enthusiasts alike. More importantly, every grade of Texaco gasoline is top-tier certified, meaning it meets the enhanced detergent standards supported by Toyota and other major automakers. For Toyota owners living in the South and parts of the East Coast, Texaco is often one of the easiest certified fuels to find. As a mechanic, I've always liked brands that keep things simple and consistent. When you pull up to a Texaco pump, you know you're getting fuel designed to help keep injectors cleaner and reduce harmful deposits over time. If there's a Texaco at the next exit, it's a stop most Toyota owners can feel good about making. Number 2. Exxon. Exxon has earned its place on this list through one thing above all else: consistency. The company has remained part of the top-tier program since its early years and continues to offer gasoline formulated with its Synergy additive package. That package contains detergents and other fuel system cleaning components designed to help protect injectors, reduce deposit formation, and maintain engine efficiency. What makes Exxon especially appealing is how easy it is to find. Across much of the eastern United States and in many major metropolitan areas, Exxon stations are everywhere. That's important because the best fuel in the world doesn't help if drivers can't conveniently access it. For Toyota owners who plan to keep their Camry, Highlander, Tacoma, or Tundra for well over 200,000 miles, consistency matters. Exxon has built a reputation for delivering the same certified fuel quality year after year. And that's exactly the kind of reliability Toyota owners tend to appreciate. Number 1. Chevron with Techron. If a Toyota owner walked into my workshop and asked for a single fuel brand recommendation, this would be it. Chevron earns the top spot because it doesn't just meet the standard, It helped define what premium gasoline should be. For decades, Chevron has invested heavily in fuel additive research, and its Techron formula remains one of the most respected fuel cleaning technologies in the industry. What makes Techron special is its use of polyethyramine, commonly known as PEA. Unlike many detergent additives that mainly help prevent new deposits from forming, PEA is widely recognized for its ability to clean existing deposits throughout the fuel system. That's a big deal for Toyota owners planning to keep their vehicles for 200,000, 300,000, or even 400,000 miles. Chevron was also one of the original top-tier gasoline retailers when the program was launched by automakers, including Toyota. More than 2 decades later, it remains fully committed to those higher standards. That consistency matters because modern Toyota engines are incredibly sophisticated. Whether it's a turbocharged RAV4, a Tundra, a Tacoma, or a Camry equipped with Toyota's advanced D4S fuel injection system, clean injectors and clean combustion chambers play a major role in long-term reliability. What ultimately puts Chevron ahead of every other brand is that it combines independent top-tier certification, decades of additive research, widespread availability, and one of the most proven detergent packages ever developed. There are many good fuels on the market, but if the goal is giving a Toyota engine the best possible chance of reaching 250,000 miles and beyond, Chevron with Techron is the fuel I'd choose every time. If you liked this video, don't forget to watch this one where I have shared one tip you must do after every Toyota oil change. This would take your engine past 700,000 miles, trust me.